As we journey through life, it's completely natural for our bodies to change. One of the most common changes, especially for those of us over 60, is a shift in our vision. Maybe you find yourself squinting at the newspaper, or perhaps the street signs at night seem a bit blurrier than they used to. It's a shared experience, and while it's a normal part of aging, it doesn't mean we can't take proactive, natural steps to support our eye health. Subscribe for more content like this. Many of us reach for reading glasses, which are a fantastic tool. But what if I told you that your kitchen pantry might hold some powerful allies in the quest for clearer vision? That's right. The answer could be found in some simple, delicious, and incredibly nutritious foods. Today, we're going to dive deep into a topic that is close to my heart: how specific nutrients can play a vital role in maintaining and even supporting the restoration of our precious eyesight. We'll be focusing on 4 amazing nuts that are packed with the goodness our eyes crave. We're going to explore what makes each of these nuts so special, the science behind their eye-boosting properties, and how you can easily incorporate them into your daily routine, specifically as a simple bedtime snack. This isn't about miracle cures, but about using the power of nutrition to give our bodies the best possible support. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's explore these 4 natural powerhouses for your vision. First up on our list is the incredible almond. You probably already know almonds as a heart-healthy snack, but their benefits for your eyes are just as impressive. What makes them so great? It all comes down to a powerful antioxidant: vitamin E. Our eyes are constantly exposed to oxidative stress from things like UV light and environmental pollutants. This stress can damage the delicate cells in our eyes and is linked to age-related conditions. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that helps protect these cells from damage. Think of it as a personal bodyguard for your eyes. Studies have shown that a regular intake of vitamin E can help slow the progression of age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Just a single ounce of almonds, that's about 23 nuts, provides nearly half of your recommended daily intake of vitamin E. So how can you enjoy them? A small handful before bed is a perfect, easy-to-digest snack. They are low in sugar, so they won't disrupt your sleep. You can eat them raw, lightly toasted, or even enjoy a spoonful of unsweetened almond butter. It's a simple, crunchy, and satisfying way to load up on this essential eye-protecting nutrient before you turn in for the night. Next, let's talk about the mighty walnut. If you look closely at a walnut, it kind of looks like a tiny brain, right? Well, it's not just good for your brain, it's fantastic for your eyes, too. The secret weapon in walnuts is their exceptionally high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically a type called alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. Our bodies use these omega-3s to produce other essential fats, like DHA, which is a major structural component of the retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of your eye. A healthy retina is absolutely crucial for clear, sharp vision. Omega-3s also have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can contribute to a host of eye problems, including dry eye syndrome, which can cause discomfort, burning, and blurry vision. By consuming walnuts, you're helping to maintain the structural integrity of your retinal cells and combat inflammation throughout your body, including in your eyes. A single serving, which is about a quarter cup or a small handful of walnut halves, provides a significant dose of these beneficial fats. Their slightly earthy flavor makes them a wonderful pre-sleep snack, helping you feel full and delivering a payload of eye-supporting nutrition while you rest. Moving on to our third nut, let's crack open the pistachio. These vibrant green gems aren't just delicious, they are a unique powerhouse of 2 very special antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin. If you've ever heard of nutrients for eye health, these 2 names have probably come up, and for good reason. Lutein and zeaxanthin are carotenoids that are found in high concentrations in the macula, the central part of your retina responsible for sharp, detailed, central vision. They act like an internal pair of sunglasses, filtering out harmful, high-energy blue light that can damage the delicate cells in your eyes. Think about all the blue light we're exposed to from screens, phones, tablets, and televisions. Lutein and zeaxanthin are our natural defense. Among all the nuts, pistachios have the highest levels of both lutein and zeaxanthin. Including them in your diet helps to replenish these protective pigments in your macula, which can lower your risk for developing conditions like cataracts and AMD. The simple act of shelling pistachios can also be a mindful, relaxing activity before bed. A small handful is all you need to reap these amazing benefits for your central vision. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the Brazil nut. This large, creamy nut is a bit of a nutritional superstar, primarily because of one incredible mineral, selenium. Brazil nuts are by far the most potent natural source of selenium you can find. In fact, just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day can provide you with more than your entire daily requirement. So, what does selenium do for your eyes? Selenium is a crucial component of powerful antioxidant enzymes like glutathione peroxidase. This enzyme works alongside vitamin E, the one we found in almonds, to protect the lens of the eye and other tissues from free radical damage. This protection is vital for maintaining the clarity of the lens and may help reduce the risk of developing cataracts, which is the clouding of the eye's lens. Think of selenium and vitamin E as a dynamic duo, working together to keep your eyes healthy. By having a Brazil nut or 2 along with your almonds, you're creating a synergistic effect that boosts your body's antioxidant defenses. But remember, with Brazil nuts, moderation is key due to their high selenium content. 1 or 2 a day is the perfect amount. It's an incredibly simple habit to start before bed for some serious long-term eye protection. So there you have it. 4 powerful nuts to support your vision. Almonds for their vitamin E, walnuts for their omega-3s, pistachios for lutein and zeaxanthin, and Brazil nuts for their selenium. Now you might be thinking, do I have to eat all 4 every single night? Not necessarily. The beauty of this is its flexibility. You could create a small eye health trail mix with a few of each nut. Maybe have a couple of Brazil nuts, a few almonds, some walnuts, and a small handful of pistachios. Or you could rotate them, having almonds one night and walnuts the next. The goal is to make this a consistent and enjoyable part of your routine. A small bowl with about a 1/4 cup of this mixed nut selection by your bedside can be a wonderful health-boosting ritual. It's important to remember that while these nuts are incredibly beneficial, they are part of a larger picture of health. A balanced diet rich in colorful fruits and vegetables, leafy greens, and fish will provide a wide array of nutrients for your eyes and your entire body. Regular eye checkups with your optometrist are also non-negotiable for monitoring your eye health and catching any potential issues early. This nutritional strategy is a powerful complement to, not a replacement for, professional medical care. Taking care of our vision as we age is a gift we give to ourselves. It allows us to continue enjoying the beauty of the world around us, the faces of our loved ones, the pages of a good book, and the splendor of a sunset. By making small, mindful choices like incorporating these nutrient-dense nuts into our diet, we are actively participating in our own well-being. It's an empowering and delicious way to invest in a brighter, clearer future. Thank you so much for joining me today to learn about these amazing natural tools for eye health. I hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content on living your healthiest, happiest life. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next video. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Do you already enjoy these nuts? Let us know. Stay healthy, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one.